everybody, Dave here. We've got a little bit of a different video for you today. This is April 13th, 2022 on South Hutchinson Island in Stuart, Florida. I hit this beach regularly for fishing, and I knew it was going to be windy today, so I was just kind of doing a little check on the conditions. You will hear the wind noise in the background. And as you see, we have a enormous leatherback turtle. This turtle is, I would estimate, approximately 6 feet from head to tail, 4 feet in diameter. She finished laying her eggs and covering them up, and as you can see, she is headed back to the ocean at this point. There were a couple of us there. We didn't want to get too close while that was going on, but now she's kind of headed out, and we moved in a little bit closer. This normally happens at night, and nearly impossible to make a video at night. I've seen a couple wee hours, but the fact that she was still up here at sunrise was pretty amazing. So I don't know how long she had been there. Maybe she got tired and had taken a rest break, but normally it's just unheard of. I've just never seen it happen where they're still on the beach in the morning, and I'm usually there before sunrise really every day. So you can see there's also another nest in the foreground that was marked by the turtle researchers that come up and down the beach every day, and they subsequently did mark this nest as well. This animal is just enormous, and it was quite a sight to witness. You'll see as she slides down, get a little bit of a drop off here coming up, and she slides down into the water, and I pan over just as the sun is breaking up across the horizon. So it takes a few rest breaks, but the amount of sand that is being moved is amazing. Gestation period's about 60 days for these, so I'll go out there at the beginning of June and keep an eye on it and see if we can see the hatchlings coming up and heading for the water. That usually happens in the middle of the night too, so it's also fairly rare to see that as well. So here you go, there she goes down the little drop, and first wave hitting. You'll see the head pop up a few times as she's getting closer, and waves start carrying her away. So quite an experience, and this is a heavy nesting area for a lot of the different sea turtles. The fact this was a giant leatherback, which is the largest of all the turtles, was quite an amazing sight for me even to see. All right, so we got another wave coming up here, and sticks her head up one more time, and then she's off. Now they'll come back a couple times to lay eggs, 2-3 times this time of year, and then come back next year, hopefully. So that's pretty much the end. You pan over, there's the sunrise. Have a good one. Hope you enjoy.